is now already 4:12. Yeah, I wake up about 3:30 and I don't feel like sleeping again. Yeah, and so I'm going to check out now. And because it's very early, all I need to do is to drop this one here. As you can see here, there's the late arrivals, early departure, open later box lid. Just drop it here. Okay, that's it. We're going now. And actually the sunrise will be just later in 1 hour. Yeah. Oh, the sky is covered with clouds, no stars. Wow, look at that. Yeah, I think it's 6 or 7 cars. I think 6. Yeah. And the sun is rising over there. We could just you go, I'll let you know. No, I'm so lost without you. You know, not you, you know, I know. Lonely is the night when I'm not with you. Lonely is the night when the light shining through. Yo, we are now here at the Mount Wellington. Maybe this is higher than Cradle Mountain where I was yesterday. Yeah, and it's very windy here. Yeah, in Cradle Mountain yesterday, yeah, there was no wind like this. So, yeah, there is that tower. I'm actually being carried away by the wind. Yeah, I don't want to stay here longer. And you know, when you open the door of the vehicle, yeah, it is being pushed away. Feels like it's going to be broken. And you know, here in Mount Wellington, yeah, 360, you're going to see the around here in Hobart and different suburbs. Yeah. That's the city. Yeah, people actually can't really walk properly. Oh. Whoa. I don't know if it is always like this. Probably it is not always like this. Yeah, this wind is too much. Yeah, there is actually a walking trail. That one. Actually, let's get inside here. Okay, there's a viewing area here, which is safer.
Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. So that's the main city. That's the Hobart city center. Oh, they have a bus area very near to the city center. Very nice. And most of the houses that I am seeing, they are actually in the hills. So that there is a walking trail. Yeah. Very nice. Okay, we're going back to the outside. Actually, I don't like here anymore. I'm going back to the van, no, to the car. Oh, difficult to walk. So basically, at the back of this Wellington mountain, there are more series of mountain. Yeah, over there. I need to keep on holding this. Oh. Yeah, I need to really hold tight this window because no, this door. Yes, right now. Okay, that's it. We go. And we are now here in one of the hotel here in Hobart. Yeah, near to the city center. Yeah, it's good here because I can see the whole city and the suburbs on the other side of the river. Yeah, nice. This residential area mostly. Actually, this is the only establishment here. It is like a bar, bistro, function room, accommodation, and gaming. Yeah, gambling area actually the other side. And this, so it is. I actually like this. The setup. So there's this. Oh, what's this in here? Oh, there's some materials. There is luggage place, entrance, and this the toilet. I like it. It looks clean. It feels clean also. But yeah, there's a little stain. Not a big deal. Still looks clean and feel clean. I actually want to go to the Thai restaurant where I eat the first time. Yeah, Bangkok restaurant. Yeah, they have a very delicious selection of food. But my plan is to just stay here, edit some video, and then tomorrow we'll check out, return the car, and go to airport. That's the plan tomorrow. So I've been to, yeah, popular spot here in Tasmania. Yeah, there is a chance that I will come back here again. I just don't know how and when, for what reason. Yeah. And it is now time to give back with the vehicle. Yeah, it's really nice to drive this Nissan X-Trail.
And
Yeah.
thank you so much for doing the business with us. It's very pleasure to give you the car and return it in a very good condition. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Shub Tripathi, I'm the manager at Low Cost Outright in Hobart.
Ah.
So you and your followers can come and visit to us, and we look after them very well.
Yeah, thank you very much to Shub.
Thank you so much. See you.
It is now 11 o'clock and we are here in this kind of shopping street here in Hobart. Yeah, lots of people here, and I'm actually waiting for this restaurant to open. They open at 11, but I don't know why. Not yet. They are still sitting up inside. I can see from here. This actually became my favorite restaurant. Yeah, this is my third time to eat here. And look at this. This is actually people's favorite. Lots of people here. At the moment I am here waiting for the sky bus. If you can see over there, sky bus pick up and drop off, metro signal the driver, and also the red decker hop on hop off bus. Yeah,
It is now already 11:39 and the bus is coming in 5 minutes. You know, the fare is actually $20. I think it's expensive, and it is normal if you're going to the airport and or if you are leaving or if you are coming from the airport. And we are now back here at the airport. Yeah, lots of people actually going to travel back to different parts of Australia, or I don't know if there is for different countries. Bye, Hobart. And we are now here in Sydney, in the parking. Yeah, my van have been here for 2 weeks. And I realized that I actually switched off my fridge, and there is rice inside the fridge. Actually, it's okay. It doesn't smell like rotten rice. Yeah.